Yeah.
Yeah, the experience has been really good, sir. We started off the workshop from yesterday, and we are gaining a lot of experiences from this. We are learning a lot of things, as well as we are also doing a hands-on project as of now in the evenings.
Yeah, Salman, you can
So,
explain about what is the project you are doing. What is the workshop competition?
sir, it's actually in space model rocketry competition. It is conducted by in space ISRO, and there are other private companies who has joined this. So what we do here is we have to basically build a model rocket that can take 1 kg payload to 100 meters altitude. 1,000 meter altitude. I'm sorry, 1,000 meter altitude. So we have to build a rocket as such, and for that, they're providing us a workshop where they'll teach you from basics of rocketry to advanced level of rocketry, so that we can do this. And in this particular 6 days workshop, we'll be launching the rockets built by us. I myself, Pranay, Sudarshana sir, and one more person that Sudarshana sir has networked with. We for our one team. So we'll most probably seeing a rocket launched by the team. Yeah.
Yeah, great to hear all these things. So capture the videos and all and share in the group.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Purushottam sir, thanks a lot for your support and EV Society. Thanks a lot for EV Society
It's
also.
EV Society support. Yeah, EV Society. Yeah, right.
Yeah. And Sridhar sir, Purushottam has sponsored for this one from EV Society for rocketry project. No, it is around more than 3 lakhs maybe the cost for the competition. Just we are estimating. We don't know exact numbers. Yeah.
Oh, much appreciated, Purushottam. They will be doing great work. Good.
Good. It is great that our team got selected. That is the best thing that happened. Yeah.